What is it going on, everyone? It is March 3rd, 2026. Going to not only be doing today's charting session, but as well as the YouTube video on how I made, whatever the title is. Yeah. So, took two trades. Unfortunately, did not get in this trade on the stream account on the live in front of Discord, but did get in on this on my Tradeify. So, this is the alpha account. This is the Tradeify. So, this was with two cons targeting these equal highs, and then um, one con targeting these equal lows, just so I can get enough to request a payout. So today it's payout day on Tradeify, 2,500 on each account, and this is mainly like spillover from the buffer that I built in February. Now, let's get into the trades that I took. Again, all of these trades are exactly what I went over in the last video. So we had our 930 manipulation move telling us, okay, it seems as if we're going to be in bullish order flow, right? So obviously we want to target longs. We left equal highs at the swing high at 930, right? We did not have any London lows. We had equal highs above, London highs above, true day open above, and Asia above. So I was bullish on the day because obviously you guys know that I target liquidities from session highs and lows as like my bias. I don't really care what we're rejecting from. I don't really care if we're tapping into a 2-hour order block or we are holding this breaker from yesterday, so doesn't really matter to me. At the end of the day, I just want to see what liquidity we have available and what the market does at open. Let's see what Riley just texted me. Okay. Right. So, like I said, pretty beautiful setup that we had here. We had our sweep of liquidity. We had our clear bullish order flow. We had our equal highs above. And then we had this 30-second inversion with a strong candle closure to the side. Now, on the Tradeify accounts on the stream, I was waiting for this 1 minute. I low-key hit the hezi on, like, even up here. I don't know. I was just nervous. I was, like, already in on my alpha account, and I was like, oh, fuck. Like, I don't have time to enter this on my Tradeify. And it ended up playing out, right? So some people took this in the Discord, and they were saying, oh, like, thank you for the win, right? Then, after sweeping these equal highs, we had a lot of bearish displacement. So we had our manipulation leg failing to take this low right here, not leaving an SMT at the low, saying, okay, how could I target maybe the like London highs or even like these pre-market equal highs? We came up, we rejected OT of this range. Let's go to replay. Right, and on the 1 minute, we left these swing equal lows right here, failing to take this low. And also we had like low resistance liquidity right here, but I wasn't targeting this low, right? We inverted the 1 minute on this candle, and like I've been saying, guys, we want to wait for more confirmation. We had this candle that closed lower, closing below this 30-second, took it here with one contract, did not get that good of a fill. I was risking like, yeah, it was a 1-to-1, so I just needed to make my 500 and had the stop loss like a little above consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, and it played out in I think 2 candles. Yeah, didn't even have a chance to go break even. So that was the trade on the Tradeify account, and this was the trade on the Alpha account. Now I did not look at anything during PM. This is where I bring it to chat and say, what did you guys take? Did you guys take anything in PM? It looked like nice longs. We had delivery to these equal highs, and we ended up getting a sweep of London and a tap into True Day Open. So it looks like we still left some buy side targets, but all of these kind of just look like low time conversions that failed, and all that stuff. There was a setup to equal highs right here. Uh, yeah. So let's see. What did you guys take anything? Michael, yeah, at least you're here. Hey, at least Michael's here, man. Rate this. Okay. 10:57 a.m. IFVG and CIC target was 24660. Let's see. 1057. Yes, so we had our IFEG down here. We had our CISD right there. Let's go to the replay and see if. So no 5 minutes available to be tapped into, no 15 minutes. Was this 30 minute? This 30 minute was about to open. Was there an SMT at the low is the real question. Omar, if you're here, do you want to just tell me if there's an SMT at the low? Okay, there's not externally, but there is internally. This is probably a trade I'd take on like the top step or something. Right, so good RR there. What did you just target this internal high? So 2460. 24660. So just like one of those internal highs. Yeah, dude, little banger, holy. Yeah, that's really good. Didn't take anything waiting for my fund to go through. Yep. Nope, didn't get to trade today. Didn't trade. Everyone's are here, yeah. Send one day and use 3 minutes trade, yeah. With 35-point stops. Both. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. Yeah, that was a banger. Did you take that on all your Apex accounts? What did you take that on? The one that needs 60K to get bail. Oh my god. Oh, great. Oh, what trade did you take after AM session? Dude, I don't want to go. I don't even want to get into that shit. I fucking gambled like right before I got off live. It was like this fucking short right here that wakes me out. My allocation like right now, it's 5 top steps, 1 trade of 5, 1 alpha. Now Jake Ryan's texting me. Tomorrow is my first payout. I use alpha 100K zeros and I use Tradeify 100K lightning fundeds. Thoughts about fading all the setups today? Fading what setups? Which setups are you referring to specifically? I mean, in AM, I took both of the equal highs and equal low setups. Excuse me. Oh, you mean you fading all the setups? Oh, yeah, I think you're an idiot. Hey, man, tough love, though, at the end of the day. Yeah. Damn, I want my fucking Tradeify dashboard to update, bro. Top Step brokerage is coming. It's just not there, though. Even the shorts soft open, we were right after we get 15. Still up 2% sweep wasn't fucking what we had going on there. Updates 3 p.m. Yeah, so that's 6 p.m. for me. 45 minutes from now. Shit. I forgot to charge my phone while I was here. I'm an idiot. All right. I mean, do you guys have any questions? Well, how much backtesting and preparation would you like to recommend before trading it first eval properly? I would say that um it would most likely be at least like 2 months, maybe. But I'm sorry, like at most 2 months. I would even, dude, I started right away on evals, but should we start trading Asia? No. What is this trade? All right, this is a trade that I went over with Omar. Yeah, exactly. We definitely have data. I would say, yeah. I mean, like backtesting is what helped me probably the second most in my trading journey. It was like live trading, backtesting, journaling. DM. Oh yeah. I know. I'm literally waiting on the dude Dan. Oh, I'll send you the invite link in a second. Dude Dan's been out of the office, unfortunately. Yeah, no problem, bro. My bad. Fucking bunch of horse shit. Nah, Dan's actually awesome. I don't know. I think he was probably just on vacation or something.
Waiting for connection.
W Dan.
Bluetooth connected.
Yeah. Okay. You guys good? Any more questions? Can you make a video on OTE? Yeah, I can. I need to make a video on each concept, low key. I'm kind of gonna end the recording and then uh start asking you guys a few things. So yes, thank you for watching. The link to the Discord is down below. Live trading 9:25 a.m. to 11 a.m. every single day. Charting session every day at 5, and access to over 100 hours of recording. So yes, there you go.